how to log into your Wise business account step by step. Here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your wise.com, or you can even get into the application of Wise if you want to, and then from here just get into the login page. So for that you can tap on the menu bar on the top right corner, and then from there you can get the login button, tap on it, and then you can get into the login page. If you're on the application, you can get that login button right in front of you, tap on it and get into your login page. And all you need to do is add in all of the credentials of your account, like your email address and the password of your account. Once you do that, you can simply tap on login, and just like that you'll successfully be able to log into your Wise business account like that. So of course, if you have used any of those platforms like your Google, your Facebook, or even your Apple ID, then you can tap on them in order to log into your account. Or if you want to log in using your passkey, you can tap on the option login with a passkey and do that too. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.